In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix image repeaters in Wix, specifically focusing on the dataset and repeater components. This can be a bit tricky, but with some straightforward steps, you'll be back on track in no time. So let's dive into the solution and make those repeaters work flawlessly. First, we're going to start by accessing your browser settings. Open up your browser and look for the settings menu. Depending on whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, or another browser, you'll typically find this option in a drop-down menu, often represented by three dots or lines in the upper right corner of the screen. It's crucial you know how to get there because this is where all the magic begins. So head to your browser settings and let's move on to the next step. Now that you're in the settings menu, the next thing we need to do is locate the option to clear your browsing data, cache, and cookies. These elements can sometimes hold on to old data or malfunctioning scripts, and clearing them can resolve a variety of issues, including problems with image repeaters on Wix sites. In most browsers, you'll find this option under Privacy and Security, where you can manage what is stored and delete unnecessary files. It's a good habit to do this regularly to keep things running smoothly, but right now our focus is specifically on fixing this Wix issue. Once you've found the Clear Browsing Data section, go ahead and select the options for clearing the cache and cookies. Make sure you choose a time range that will thoroughly clear out any outdated or corrupted information. The best way is to choose all time if you haven't done this recently. After confirming your selections, click Clear. Allow the process a few moments to complete, and once that's done, it's time to revisit your Wix site. Finally, return to the Wix site you've been working on and check if the image repeaters issue has been resolved. With the browser cache and cookies cleared, the page should load fresh, and hopefully, your image repeaters should now display correctly, allowing you to focus on the creative aspects of your site design rather than worrying about technical glitches. If the issue persists, feel free to reach out to Wix support for further assistance, as there may be other underlying problems that need to be addressed. By following these steps, you've not only potentially fixed your current issue, but also learned a crucial troubleshooting skill that can help prevent similar issues in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps get your Wix image repeaters working perfectly. Until next time, happy website building!